Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and just wanted to talk about the fact that, first of all, there's a version, an updated version of the Opera web browser. So if you look at the Opera browser, you should have version 66 available. This is the stable version. And the reason I'm talking a bit about Opera, it's a unique browser, very different browser than usual. Lots of interesting sides to it. I'm testing it right now, and of course there's privacy. You can actually block ads, you can block trackers. It's integrated into the browser, no add-ons to add here. The interesting aspect of this browser also is that, you know, it's one of the, I mean, the three dominant browsers are pretty much, you know, Google Chrome, Firefox, and whatever Microsoft has. They're kind of really far. I mean, Firefox, it already drops a lot compared to Google Chrome at almost 70% of market share. Firefox is like 8 or 9%, and then you have, you know, like Edge or Internet Explorer at like 3 or 4%, which is very, very low. Opera is in there. It's like at 2-3%, but they did some announcements today. One of them is that they say that roughly 300 million people are using Opera, and that is, of course, both on the Opera, on the mobile and on the PC side of things. And if you take these numbers separately, they say that there's 68 million users on desktop, 232 million users on mobile. So this is interesting to see. I don't see Opera a lot on PCs or on mobile, but you know, 300 million, there's people out there using it for sure. So it's an interesting browser. I'll post a link to the in the description below the video where you can actually download it, which is very simple. Opera.com is the website to go to. And this is where you can click the download now button. It's available, of course, also for Android, iOS. You know, as usual, Android versions also of web browsers are usually better than iOS versions. Why? iOS versions are very limited because of the way Apple actually treats the system. When on Android, well, you know, it's kind of the Windows of mobile, so you can do pretty much what you want. So the browsers and the software do more. And of course, you can download it for your PC, for a Mac, or for a Windows PC. I believe it's also available for Linux. So check it out. It could be an interesting browser. It's unique and different in the way that it presents itself. And I am in the middle of actually creating a little series on different browsers and what they have to offer and what's positive or negative on each one, including a lot of you have been asking me to talk about Brave, and that's coming up also. I will be talking about Brave. I know some of you are using it. So all of that is going to be coming up. So Opera.com, just download it from there, and you can check out this browser, which is unique and different in the way that it works. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.